We're like, hello.
Hello.
Yes. Chloe making me eat French fries.
Yeah.
Even though you made me eat yesterday.
Exactly. A French fry.
Why do all my friends make me eat? You're like, ugh.
Shout out to her brother.
Mm-hmm.
Because my sock monkey hat, you wish you had it, didn't you? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Spencer. Hello. You want it? Yeah, but we're too cool for you. And just about everybody else. Except for Savannah and Amanda and, of course, us.
What?
Who else is we're not cool, too cool for?
Kristen. Well, kind of, yeah. We're too cool for you. But
In the end, because you think that I'm mean, even though I'm not mean, just because I said hi, I didn't say hi to you. I didn't freaking hear you. So judgmental. Goodness.
now I look like I have a big head since I'm so close. You look like you have a small head.
Are you happy now?
No.
We saw Shark Night last night.
Yeah.
In 3D.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
And the flesh was like popping out at you.
Yeah, I was like.
And I was like, we were like reaching out to grab the meat. But it was pretty predictable. Remember, I predicted the ending. Because I'm sidekick. In case you didn't know.
I thought they killed all the sharks though.
Mm-mm. Not the big mama shark.
Why?
Because.
No, remember? They shot her brains out.
Not the biggest one.
They should have used a great white.
They should have, shouldn't they?
Yeah. Or that one, the Magong.
And I predicted that the sheriff was in on it. And I predicted that a couple other things. Not only am I blonde, but I'm psychic. And I'm magic. See? I will make myself disappear.
Where'd she go? What is that? I'm gonna eat a French. Oh my god.
Hello.
Ah!
Oh, PDA! Not cool, Chloe. Not cool. I'm going to tell the principal on you.
I'm at my house phone.
Yeah. I have his number on speed dial. I'm just kidding.
So, should we stop the video now
Oh,
and make
okay.
another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's watch it though.